Hello, my name is Kayla and welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday, where I'll be showing you all of the latest tips and tricks in PVFarm. Today, let's take it back to basics by talking about how to create objects and add and delete vertices. So if I come over to the plus sign on my right-hand toolbar, I can draw a new boundary. So let's start by making a shape. I'm going to just simply start by putting points down by clicking in 4 different areas here. I'll say OK, and that will start us with our basic shape. Now with my boundary selected, I'm going to press Tab. That now gives me each vertice of this object. And you'll notice as I move it, the measurement is being updated in real time. So let's say I want to create another one. As we've discussed before, if we want to make a copy of anything in PVFarm, we simply hold Control and then we drag away. So that now creates a 5th vertex. Now let's say I wanted to create one that was on an exact parallel to one that I just created. So using this one that I just created, I'm going to now turn on my Move gizmo. I'm going to hold Control while dragging this red arrow. That locks me into an ortho mode and keeps this line from one point to the next straight. Now, maybe I want to get rid of one. Maybe I want to get rid of this little one right here. All I have to do is select that vertex and then hit the Delete key on my keyboard. That will delete that point, but it will not break the polygon. Once I'm done editing, I can simply press Finish Editing at the top or hit the Tab key on my keyboard. We can apply these same principles to many other objects in PVFarm. For example, I can create roads in the same way. I can place one point down, place another point down, and now I've created a segment of road, and I can hold Control to add another segment. The only difference with roads are, say I have a continuous road like this where I've drawn it around this boundary. If I were to hit Tab and delete one of my points, I would then lose that segment between the 2 points where I deleted the 1 point. It would not stay a continuous object. You can do this same process with wires, trenches, and shade objects. As you can see, they will look pretty much just like lines, where if you hit Tab, you've got multiple points that you can then edit however you like. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you next week.